In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an issue in Jira. If you've accidentally created duplicate issue cards, tested an automation that filled your backlog with unwanted tasks, or simply need to remove an item that no longer belongs on your board. This process is straightforward. Deleting old or incorrect issues helps keep your sprint board clean, improves reporting accuracy, and makes it easier for your team to focus on the work that actually matters. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira cloud site. If your organization uses a standard Atlassian URL, sign in through your company workspace or through the Atlassian login page using your own account. Once you're signed in and the main dashboard loads, open the project where the issue is located. From there, navigate to the specific task, bug, or story you want to remove and open the issue so you can view its full details. When the issue details panel is open, move to the upper right corner of the issue. You'll see the 3-dot More Actions menu. Click that once to open the list of available options. This menu contains several actions related to the issue, so take a moment to make sure you're working on the correct card before moving forward. Next, scroll to the bottom of that menu and select Delete. This is the main action used to permanently remove the issue from Jira. Because deletion is not something you can casually undo in normal workflow, Jira will immediately ask you to confirm your choice. In the confirmation window, review the issue details carefully one last time. This is your safety check, and it's especially useful if you're working quickly or cleaning up several items in a row. Once you're sure you have the right issue selected, click the delete button in the prompt to confirm. Jira will then permanently remove that issue from the system. If you want a faster method while working from the backlog or sprint planning view, there's also a shortcut. In the backlog list, hover over the issue you want to remove and right-click it directly. A small context menu will appear. From there, choose Delete, then confirm the prompt. This lets you remove issues without opening each one individually, which can save time when cleaning up multiple unwanted cards. After the deletion is complete, do a quick check of your board and backlog. Scroll